barber, driver, dentist, policeman, fireman, school, gas station, airport, bridge, library, paint, axe, spade, saw, wrench, chalk, paper, tape dispenser, erasers, rubber bands. The small dog is inside the cage. My dog has big ears. The world is in my hands. Annie has a mustache. The big dog is outside the cage. Bravo!